Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the time taken to update the MI UI 12 in the MI Note 10 Lite device. So here I'm using the MI Note 10 Lite. As you can clearly see, this is the phone, and recently I did receive the MI UI 12 update, and here is the size of the update as well, 641 MB. So I did download the complete update, and right now I got the stopwatch ready here as well. As you can see here, the stopwatch is ready over here. So I'll try to reboot the phone right now. So let's see how much time it actually takes to install the MIUI 12 in the MI Note 10 Lite. So this is the kind of video which I would like to do in all of my mobile phones when they are updating to the newer version. So this MIUI 12 is a kind of big version for the MI phone. So that's why I decided to do this kind of time taking to process this kind of MIUI 12 update. So let me click the reboot and click the stopwatch at the same time. So right now you can see friends, the stopwatch has been begun successfully, and let's see how much long time it takes. So usually when you compare with other smartphones, the processing time, it took close to 4 to 5 minutes of time just to install this MIUI 12 software update. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos on the MI Note 10 Lite. So before the MIUI 12 update in the MIUI 11, I used to get very good battery life, that is close to I think 10 hours of screen on time. So as friends, 10 hours of screen on time I used to get in this phone. So in the initial days of buying the phone, I did not get much battery backup, but once after the few life cycles of this battery, then the battery backup got very good, and I was able to hit that kind of margin 10 hours of time. So if you want to know about the statistics about the battery and more details about the MI Note 10 Lite, so try to check the links in description for the playlist of MI Note 10 Lite. This MI Note 10 Lite will have all the videos related to the MI Note 10 Lite videos. So try to check the videos in the description, so you can find very good interesting videos as well. So again, if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using in all of my smartphones, live wallpapers or not smartphones, so try to check the links in description. As you can see, it's been 1 minute and 25 seconds right now, and we are at the 38%. So right now you can see friends, it's been 5 minutes and 25 seconds, and right now the MI logo did boot up. As I said, it took about close to 5 minutes. So let's see how long the lock screen will get turned on, how much time it takes. So usually this is the time it takes. As you can see, the new MIUI 12 logo and colorful how it looks. So this is a phone which I am very excited to use for after a very long time friends. This is a MI Note 10 Lite, so which has very good curved edges and very good battery life as well. So very soon I'll try to do the review on after using for 2 months of this phone. So it's been close to 6 minutes, so still it's booting up. So right now most of my smartphones they did receive the MIUI 12 update. So apart from few phones like Redmi, I think Poco M2 Pro, still I did not get the MIUI 12 update. And still it's in the MIUI logo boot up page only. So let's see how long this gonna take. And finally the lock screen is turned on. As you can see friends, total time it took about 6 minutes and 49 seconds to complete boot up the MIUI 12. So this is very good. So I'm very excited to use this new MIUI 12 version in the MI Note 10 Lite. So only thing is that I'm a little bit worried about the battery life. I'm not sure whether I'll be achieving that kind of battery life like before, like 10 hours of screen on time. So I'll try to use this phone for a couple of days, and I'll be back with the battery life after updating to the MIUI 12. So let's see how long I'll be getting the battery life in this mobile phone. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.